All right, hi everybody. Listen, making a PDF, or excuse me, not PDF, a JPEG or a PNG or whatever of your Photoshop file. So here's a file that I have been working on. It has the layers, as you can see here. Up here you can see it's I have it called buster2020.psd, which PSD is a Photoshop document, and we want to save a copy of it as a JPEG. When we do that, it's going to get rid of all the layers. And it's going to flatten the image. It's going to make it much smaller, and then we can choose the quality actually. So what we do is we come up here to File and Save As, and here instead of it saying Buster 2020, you simply click the Save As type and go down to JPEG, or like I said, you can also go to PNG, which is right here. I tend to do JPEG, so I click JPEG. Let's say it's fine, I want to give it that name, but I'm going to call it 0.2 because I already actually have one. And then down here you can see I can't even click this stuff. It already is as a copy. And when I click now, it comes up and it says, well, what do you want the options? What kind of quality you want? Large file, small file. And as you do that, you'll see that the size of it changes. So right now it's just 148K. In maximum, it's only 512, which is very small. So, and then you just click OK, and it creates that file. Now you're no longer, I mean, it's not like you are now looking at the JPEG. It created that file and dropped it into that folder, but you're still working on the Photoshop document with the layers. But anyway, then you can go and find that file and upload it whenever you need to into Google Classroom to satisfy your assignment. Anyway, hope that helps.